Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to enable and disable music synchronization on your Mac to iPhone device, no matter which types of iPhone you are using, 6 to till 14 Pro Max. You can do same process and enable, disable your music synchronization. So how to do it? It's very simple tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply, first of all, I will give you one demo. So here is my finder. I connected here my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is a structure of iPhone. Here music, look at this here. Definitely you are also facing the same problem. Today morning I am facing this problem, so that's why I solved this problem of my, so I am making this video of my all audience. So how to enable this process? It's very simple tips and tricks. Now we start as a mobile screen, and simultaneously you can see here the the frame is automatically changed. Now I on my mobile, so look at this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I just simply enter here setting menu and search here music application folder. So look at this, here is the music, and look at this here, 1, 2 and 3rd number options are available here. Synchronize library, you purchase music content, you add Apple Music to import to iTunes or charges. So you need to turn off this option, turn off, and boom, your problem is solved. Now I just simply synchronize. So look at this portion is automatically on in your laptop screen. It's very simple tips and tricks, enable and disable music synchronization of iPhone to Mac or Mac to iPhone.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.